What's up guys, I'm Vincent.
And I'm Vanessa.
Today we are making a yummy treat for Mama that we saw on the internet.
She's gonna love it.
First we need to melt the chocolate with a water bath. A water bath is boiling water in a pot with a container on top of it. Use a glass container to melt chocolate in.
Be careful, the steam will be hot. And the container will get hot as well. Make sure to mix while it's melting. Now we need to set up our cupcake molds. I got these cupcake cups for my birthday and I'm so excited to use them.
One for you. And one for me.
Now fill the bottom with chocolate.
Spread the chocolate at the bottom. Next we are adding the peanut butter so it is easier to put in the cups. Time to melt. The peanut butter is melted and it is time to add it on top of the chocolate.
My turn.
Get a good amount. You know about it. My turn. No, let me show you how it's done. Okay, brother.
Next is the raspberry jam.
That's a lot. Okay, Vanessa, let me have a turn with the jam.
Here you go. And now top it off with some chocolate. One more shake. In the freezer they go, probably for 2 hours.
They're ready and they look delicious.
I can't wait to try them. Perfection.
Let's try them. It's so hard to take these off. I thought it was just going to be a quick takeoff.
Yeah, but it ended up being stuck.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's sweet with a little bit of sour. What do you think? Is Mom gonna like it?
Yeah. She's gonna love it.
Not like it, but love it.
Yeah. Vanessa, this is a way we can get back on Mama's good side the next time we misbehave.
Yeah.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe.
And we'll see you next Saturday.
Bye.
Bye.